What's up, YouTube? It's me, DJ Brandon, back at you. Today we're going to be testing out the new Electro Voice speakers. I'm running two 12-inch bottoms, 4 8s on the top. The 8s are rated at 800 watts peak power apiece, and the sub is rated at 1600 watts apiece peak power, 800 watt RMS and 400 on the subs, and 400 watts RMS on the tops. Here's the speaker right here. It's called the ZX1. These are, once again, 800, 400 RMS. And then there's a sub right there and the tops. This is not a gig tonight. We're just running the sound check to make sure everything works really good for tomorrow's wedding. Got to tune the drive rack and everything for it. So the place I live at, they let me use the place here to tune it real fast here at the association. One thing I like about this sub here, it weighs about 34 pounds. The tops weigh about 18 pounds a piece. Very light. I got all this equipment on the back of the minivan behind the second row, so it all fits very well, nice and snug. These guys right here go for about 300 a piece. These go for about $450 a piece. And we're going to be driving it with the Crown XTI 2000 for the tops. Crown X is 900 for the bottoms. So that's a total. It's a 2500 watt. This is a 2000 watt. But here's the drive rack PA, and like I say, this is not a gig log, so this is like we're just running a test run, sound check. See y'all in a second. That concludes the video for tonight. Once again, these are Electro Voice speakers. These are the ZX1s. I make them up to a 15-inch as well. I talked to Electro Voice at the manufacturer. They use the same drivers as they do in their line arrays and all these speakers. So anything you buy Electro Voice is going to be great. I know these are a little steep on the price, but gotta buy quality, man. I just needed something a lot smaller to do, you know, weddings and your small parties under 200 people. This can easily entertain that, so it's great. The sub is a great sub. It actually has some good thumb to it. I listened to it at the store. It was phenomenal. They thought it was an 18 in there when another coworker walked in there. It sounded pretty darn good. So if you drive it right, it would work really well. The other unit, you saw me push that button, that was the BBE882i. Now, once again, back to the speakers. You're going to have two speak-ons. These speakers are 8 ohms. When you hook up 4 of them together, you're going to get 4 ohms on one per channel. So right now it's pushing 800 watts split by 2, so each speaker is getting 400 watt RMS. Minimum wattage is 200 watts. The sub, I got it hooked up in stereo. I'm running this entire system in stereo. Each sub is getting 600 watts a piece. They're rated up, once again, 1600. I can technically take it up to about 800 watt per side and be fine. I plan on getting 2 more of these subs so I can run a sub underneath each speaker in here. Like I said, this system sounds phenomenal. It sounds very, 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 very extremely clean. So the guys at ELECTRO Voice took care of me and gave me a lot of good information on this. It's probably by far the best sound system I've ever had, as far as the aspect of what I'm using it for, like for really small parties and your weddings and stuff like that. Last thing your bride wants to see is a bunch of bulky speakers. A lot of customers are not liking all that bulky stuff, so they're tripping about that. It's a phenomenal setup. I plan on putting the skirts on everything tomorrow, so you'll see the gig log here soon. It's going to be at the Old Red Museum, Dallas, Texas. Peace.